Ever felt like your small home is closing in on you? Have you been scratching your head, wondering how to make your limited space work? Well, worry no more. Today, we're going to show you how to turn your tiny home into a functional and stylish abode with these practical tips and tricks. First off, when it comes to furnishing small spaces, think dual purpose. Incorporate furniture that can serve more than one purpose. Consider a coffee table that doubles as a storage unit, or a sofa that can transform into a bed for overnight guests. Not only will these clever pieces save space, but they will also make your life easier. Next, don't underestimate the power of mirrors. They can make any room appear larger by reflecting light and creating an illusion of depth. Try hanging a large mirror on a wall, or placing a few smaller ones in strategic spots to maximize their effect. Now let's talk about color. Light colors open up a room, making it seem more spacious. Avoid dark hues as they tend to make spaces feel smaller. Opt for neutrals, pastels, or bright, cheery shades to give your room a more open feel. Remember, vertical space is your friend. Make use of it. Install shelves up high, use tall, narrow bookcases, or hang plants from the ceiling. This will draw the eye upward and create a sense of height and space. When it comes to lighting, natural light is the best. It brightens up space and makes it feel airy. Make sure to keep your windows clean and clear of any obstructions. If natural light is not an option, opt for multiple light sources like floor lamps, table lamps, or wall-mounted lights to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Lastly, keep it simple. Avoid clutter at all costs. Too many items can make a small space feel cramped and uncomfortable. Stick to the essentials and keep everything neat and organized. So to recap, think dual purpose when choosing your furniture. Use mirrors to create an illusion of space. Stick to light colors for your walls and furnishings. Make the most of your vertical space. Let in as much light as possible. Keep it simple and clutter-free. With these tips and tricks, your small space can become a cozy, functional, and stylish haven. So don't let a small space cramp your style. Instead, embrace it. After all, good things often come in small packages. And remember, it's not about the size of your space. It's about how you use it. So go ahead, put these tips to use and watch your small space transform before your eyes.